Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Samsung Galaxy Watch using Galaxy Wearable, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the authorization process, ensure that your Samsung Galaxy Watch is charged and powered on. Make sure your smartphone has the Galaxy Wearable app installed. If you haven't done so yet, download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. Tap Start the Journey if this is your first time using the app. Select your Galaxy Watch model from the list provided. Once selected, your smartphone will start searching for nearby devices. When your watch appears on the screen, tap on it to connect. Wait for the pairing request to display on both the watch and your smartphone. Confirm that the codes match on both devices. If they do, tap Confirm on your smartphone. Your watch will now prompt you to accept the terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions carefully. Tap Agree to proceed. The app may ask for permissions to access your contacts and other data. Grant the requested permissions for full functionality. Follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete the setup. You may also be prompted to install necessary updates for your watch. Allow the updates to install, ensuring your watch is ready for use. Once the updates are complete, you can customize your watch settings directly from the app. Enjoy exploring the features and functionalities of your newly authorized Samsung Galaxy Watch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.